Could a simple laptop, internet connection, and one focused idea turn into a real online business without spending thousands up front? Many people think starting a business means buying inventory, renting space, hiring a team, or taking a big financial risk. But online business has changed that completely. The right model can help you start small, test your idea, and grow step by step without taking huge financial pressure. Today, beginners can start with skills, digital files, simple designs, product links, or online stores that do not need huge startup money. In this video, we'll explore top 5 online business models that require low investment, how each one works, and which model may fit your goals best. Let's get started. 1. Freelance service agency. One of the fastest online business models to start with low investment is a freelance service agency. This model works because you can begin with skills you already know or skills you can learn quickly. You do not need product stock, a physical office, or expensive tools. In many cases, a laptop, internet connection, portfolio, and clear service offer are enough to begin. A freelance service agency means helping clients with tasks they already need. These services can include copywriting, video editing, graphic design, SEO, website design, social media management, or short-form content editing. Businesses always need help getting more attention, more customers, better content, and stronger online presence. The biggest advantage is fast cash flow. Unlike some online businesses that require months of audience building, freelancing can bring payment quickly once you land clients. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and LinkedIn can help beginners find work, but you can also reach out directly to local businesses, creators, coaches, and small brands. At first, you may do the work yourself. Later, as you get more clients, you can hire other freelancers and keep the difference between what the client pays and what you pay your team. That is how a simple freelance service can grow into a small agency. The profit margin can be high because there is no inventory, shipping, or manufacturing cost. It takes effort, but it is one of the lowest risk ways to start earning online. 2. Digital products. Digital products are one of the most attractive online business models because you can create something once and sell it again and again. There is no shipping, no packaging, no physical inventory, and no manufacturing cost. Once the file is ready, customers can buy it online and receive it automatically. Digital products can include ebooks, Canva templates, Notion planners, Excel budget trackers, Google Sheets calculators, printables, guides, checklists, resume templates, social media packs, or business resources. The best digital products solve a clear problem for a specific person. A basic planner may not stand out, but a planner made for students, teachers, small business owners, or busy parents feels more useful. Beginners can create these products with simple tools like Canva, Google Docs, Google Sheets, or Notion. Advanced software is not required. The key is to make the product clean, useful, and easy to use so buyers save time, feel organized, or solve a problem quickly. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, and Stan Store make selling simple. Etsy connects you with shoppers already looking for products, while Gumroad and Stan Store are easy for selling directly to your audience through social media. Digital products can have very high profit margins because each extra sale costs almost nothing to deliver. However, marketing is still important. You need good product images, clear descriptions, helpful keywords, and consistent promotion. If you enjoy creating useful resources, digital products can become a powerful low-investment business. 3. High-ticket affiliate marketing. High-ticket affiliate marketing is a low-investment business model where you promote another company's product or service and earn a commission when someone buys through your link. You do not create the product, handle shipping, manage refunds, or provide customer service. Your main job is to connect the right audience with the right offer. The high-ticket part means focusing on products or services that pay larger commissions. These can include software tools, online programs, business services, website platforms, finance tools, or subscription-based products. Instead of earning a small commission from cheap products, one high-value sale can bring a stronger payout. This model works best when you build trust. People do not want random links pushed at them. They want useful reviews, honest comparisons, tutorials, and clear explanations. For example, if you promote an email marketing tool, you can create content about building an email list, writing newsletters, or choosing the best platform for beginners. You can promote affiliate products through YouTube, blogs, newsletters, TikTok, Instagram, or simple resource pages. The content becomes your traffic source. A helpful video or article can keep bringing clicks long after it's published, especially if the topic stays relevant. The startup cost can be very low. You may only need a domain name or a free social media account to begin. But this model takes patience because you need traffic and trust before consistent sales happen. If you enjoy teaching, reviewing, comparing, or explaining products, high-ticket affiliate marketing can become a strong online business with low upfront cost. 4. Print on demand. Print on demand is a low-investment business model that lets you sell physical products without buying inventory up front. Instead of ordering boxes of shirts, mugs, tote bags, phone cases, posters, or notebooks, you upload your design to a platform. When a customer buys, the supplier prints, packs, and ships the product for you. This model is beginner-friendly because it avoids the biggest risk of traditional product selling: unsold inventory. You do not need to guess how many items to buy. The product is only created after a customer places an order. That keeps the starting cost low and makes testing different designs easier. Platforms like Printful and Printify can connect with Etsy or Shopify. Etsy is useful because buyers already search there for gifts and custom products. Shopify gives more control, but you must bring your own traffic. Beginners often start on a marketplace first, then expand later. The design can be simple. In fact, clean and specific designs often work better than complicated ones. You can create product for teachers, nurses, pet lovers, gardeners, gym lovers, coffee fans, or parents. The more specific the audience is, the easier it becomes to create designs that people connect with. AI tools can help generate ideas, and Canva can help create simple graphics. But you must avoid copyrighted names, famous characters, logos, or protective phrases. Profit margins are usually lower than digital products because production and shipping costs are included, but the risk is also low. With strong niches, good mock-ups, and consistent uploads, print-on-demand can become a creative online business. 5. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is an online business model where you sell physical products without buying stock first. You list products in your online store, and when a customer places an order, the supplier ships the product directly to the buyer. You earn money from the difference between your selling price and the supplier's cost. The main advantage is that you do not need to fill your room with products or spend money on bulk inventory. This makes dropshipping less risky than traditional retail. You can test different products and see what customers respond to before committing more money. Platforms like Shopify can help you build a store, while tools like AutoDS and supplier marketplaces can help connect products to your site. Some beginners use suppliers from AliExpress, but product quality and shipping speed can vary. That is why supplier research is extremely important. Dropshipping works best when the product solves a problem or creates strong desire. Random products usually fail. A good product should be easy to explain, useful, interesting, or connected to a passionate audience. Product videos can help because they show the benefit quickly. This model usually requires more setup than freelancing, digital products, or affiliate marketing. You need a store, product research, customer service, marketing, and sometimes paid ads. Profit margins are often lower because you must pay the supplier and possibly ad costs. Still, dropshipping can teach valuable e-commerce skills like product testing, sales pages, offers, and customer psychology. For beginners who want to learn online selling without buying inventory up front, it can be a useful low-investment option. And there you have it, top 5 online business models that require low investment. The best online business is not always the one that looks most exciting. It is the one that fits your skills, budget, time, and goals. Freelancing can bring quick cash. Digital products can create repeat sales. Affiliate marketing can earn through trusted recommendations. Print-on-demand avoids inventory. And dropshipping offers a lower-risk start in e-commerce. Start with one model, keep it simple, and focus on real value. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Comment below which business model you would start first. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next video.